Let me show you how to manage loads in ezLoads. Let's get started. Here's what you'll see when you open a load. At the very top, you have the driver's last known position and the stops for this load, pickups and deliveries, along with mileage between them. Just below, you have 4 key sections: load info, trip info, broker, and driver. Each section holds important details about the load you're managing. At the bottom, there are additional tabs for services, documents, billing, which we'll cover in detail in the next tutorial, and history. Starting with the driver's previous position, you can add or update it by clicking the location and selecting from the drop-down. This helps calculate empty miles correctly. Need to add a stop? Click Add Stop and choose Pickup, Delivery, or Other. The other option is useful for tracking additional stops that shouldn't appear on the invoice, such as detours, yard visits, or maintenance stops. We suggest starting with the zip code and then filling in the rest. These stops help keep mileage records accurate without affecting billing. One more cool feature: anything you add here in Notes will automatically appear in the driver app when you dispatch the load. When adding a stop, here you can select its position in the route, for example, placing it after a specific stop, or once stops are added, simply drag and drop to arrange them in the correct order, and click Recalculate Distance. Once everything is set, click Dispatch Info to the driver to send load details via email or directly to the driver app. In Load Info, by clicking the green pencil, you can manually edit the load number or contact our support team to set up a custom numbering system for all future loads. Update the load status and billing status to track progress. If the actual delivery date differs from the planned one, be sure to update it accordingly. Additionally, you can update the dispatcher associated with the load. Trip Info. Here, you can override the total trip mileage for any reason, including loaded and empty miles. Broker. Select the broker from the drop-down or search by MC number. We've got over 64,000 brokers in our system. Enter the PO number and the system automatically prevents duplicate loads with the same PO for the same broker. Then, enter the rate for the load. Driver. In the driver section, update the driver. Add a co-driver if it's a one-time team. Select the equipment owner and update truck and trailer details. The driver's payable is automatically calculated. Need to share info with the team? Click New Note to add a message. It will be visible in the Notes column for everyone to see. For important notes, check the Important box to highlight them with a yellow triangle. Finally, here under History, you can track every change, who made it, when, and what was updated. That's it for managing loads. In the next tutorial, we'll go over how billing works for loads. Stay tuned!